went to visit a national park in our state. There were more than 50 students. We were, it was a educational tour which was sponsored by the state government. But that time I had no a little idea about aquatic animal which has a really friendly nature. The name of the animal is dolphin. It lives in water. I remember that one day when I was walking in the park, I saw a person who was engaged in playing uh, with dolphin inside the park. As I did not have any idea about the nature of this animal, so initially I was a little scared to see that how a person uh, can play game with an animal. I was very scared. But when I saw that the person was throwing a ball inside the pool, and the dolphin was capable to catch it and to give it back to the same person, and I developed an interest, and I decided that I will ask this person that was it a trained animal or not. I approached this person, and when I asked him, then I came to know that dolphin is considered one of the most intelligent animals, and it can play play a game like a person. But one thing which really amazed me that when I heard about a dolphin, that the same animal was used during a war which was happened in Europe, and it acted like as a military person. I was amazed to see that, and that time I developed. Ma'am,
Your
क्या हुआ?
2 minutes are over, Sajid. You spoke
Okay, okay,
very
ma'am.
well. A war which was happened
हाँ
was
मैम हाँ
wrong. Okay.
मैम सेंटेंस रॉन्ग था.
नहीं was happened आपने बोला war which was happened in Europe. War which happened was happened is wrong.
No, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, it was a problem in my pronunciation. I said a war, ma'am. WAR, war. Because I have some
War you said
problems in my pronunciation.
war which was happened
Hmm.
you said. Didn't you say that? What did you
Okay, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am. I said.
you said war which was
I did mistake, ma'am.
yes,
It
yes
was a
that the only
right, ma'am.
mistake that I
Right,
made
ma'am.
was that
Hmm.
otherwise you spoke very well. Okay. And one more thing, your
Hmm.
pronunciation.
Okay.
You say person. Person is not.
Right, ma'am.
What is the pronunciation? Person. P-E-R. It sounds as if you are saying
Yes, ma'am.
P-A-R-S-O-N. Person. It's not person. It's person.
Yes, ma'am. Right now, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I am working in my on my pronunciation because I know that, ma'am. It is due to the influence of my mother tongue.
Okay. So it is pronunciation is wrong. It's pronunciation. What is it?
Okay, ma'am.
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
Very good otherwise. Very nice. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then bag you want to own, we've done. Favorite singer, we've done. Time you made a promise to someone. I think we've done. Art exhibition that you visited, we've done last time. A time you told your friend an important truth. A skill that you teach other people. A time when you use your imagination. Special hotel you stayed in. I think we've done all that. Person who wears unusual clothes. A time you had to wait in a long line. This this Nirali got this cue card. A short trip that you often take but you do not like. We've covered this also. Describe the place you like to visit but you don't want to live there. This also we covered last time. A perfect job you would like to have in the future. Okay, who will speak on this? A perfect job. A perfect job you would like to have in the future. Let's have it from Nisha. You'll speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's have it from Nisha now.
Okay.
You need a minute to prepare?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. By the time Nisha is preparing, anybody has any query, we can chit chat and you can ask me anything you would like to ask me.
मैम मैम जो जैसे अग्री और डिस्कस बोथ व्यूज का ऐसे का फॉर्मेट है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन के ऐसे का भी फॉर्मेट है मैम। जैसे पैराग्राफ की टॉपिक सेंटेंस होता है, इन दोनों ऐसे का फिक्स्ड फॉर्मेट है हमारे पास कि हमने ऐसे सॉल्व आउट करना है उसको। और मैम जैसे डू यू अग्री और डिसअग्री में हम जैसे वाइल वाला सेंटेंस लगा देते हैं, तो मैम उसका फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में कैसे करेंगे टॉपिक सेंटेंस?
फिर आप एडमिटेडली करके जिस साइड को कंसेशन दे रहे हो वो साइड पहले ही पैरे में कर दो और फिर हाउएवर करके अगले दो पैरे अगला
मैम हाउएवर और ऑन द अदर साइड दोनों इकट्ठे यूज होंगे कि अलग अलग होंगे?
नहीं, ऑन द अदर हैंड अलग यूज होता है, हाउएवर अगर हाउएवर यूज करो फिर ऑन द अदर हैंड नहीं यूज करना ना।
ओके
आप एक चीज यूज करोगे, ठीक है?
ठीक है,
दो नहीं यूज करोगे,
ठीक है मैम,
ठीक है?
ओके ओके।
निशा 1 मिनट तो हो गया।
Okay, ma'am. I'm starting.
यस
There are a lot of jobs that I would like to do in the future, such as I want to become scientist, teacher, professor, journalist, etc. But today I would like to talk about a perfect job that I would like to have in a future. So I would like to become HR in the future. I came to know about HR first time when I visited career counseling session, and at that time many counselors were there. They were giving us a lot of information about HR, journalism, teacher, scientists, professors, etc. So at that time I gained interest in HR. I asked a lot of questions about HR, that in which field HR consists and what is the job of HR. So I got much information about HR, that HR is a job who always recruit an employee. So I have a lot of interest in that. That's why I would like to do job in the future. And I also suggest to my parents, and right now my parents agreed to do this. I am doing a lot of research about HR, like which course is needed for HR and which university is good for HR. So this was the job I would like to do in the future because I have interest in that. So I would definitely do hard work in my field, and I would like to become HR in the future.
Okay, you've spoken 1.5 minutes, Nisha. Can anybody tell me what is HR?
That's a human resource.
ह्यूमन रिसोर्स
रिसोर्स बनना चाहते हो आप?
Yes.
तो सभी हैं हम, we are all human resources.
ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट।
Yeah, that's a human
मैनेजर
resource.
बोलोगे ना, HR मैनेजर या कुछ ऐसा बोलोगे ना?
या HR मैनेजर।
HR थोड़ी बन सकते हो, ठीक है? हो गया, आपने बोला यहाँ पे, अब एग्जाम में ये गलती नहीं होगी अगर हो गया।
Yes, नहीं
We are already HR मैम।
हाँ, we are all HR, aren't we? Human resources, doing something or the other for mankind, for ourselves. Yes.
Okay.
हाँ, तो HR कुछ नहीं है, HR मैनेजर बनूंगी। और मेरे को
Okay.
क्या कोर्स करना है, MBA करना है, MBA in HR होती है ना? होती है?
राइट मैम।
Yes.
हाँ मैम।
हाँ, तो मेरे को MBA in HR करनी है, and I want to do it from the best university possible. देखो, आपको 1/2 मिनट का मटेरियल भी और चाहिए। साजिद सजेस्ट करो, मोनीश सजेस्ट करो उसको, और क्या
वो बोल सकते हैं मैम, I want to obtain higher studies in HR department from one of the best universities in India. Then I will try to
good university for HR. किसी को पता है? HR management ये जो
There is not such university for HR, but I would suggest just we speak about their process of hiring, or like they what they see in the student and they hire about them, and
yes.
what type of company they are hiring, and we can include this type of things.
Okay. Good. Okay, very good. So Nisha, you got ideas?
Yes, ma'am.
How you get, you will speak well. Okay, then you said I want to do job in a future. आया था, बाकी Nisha, you spoke very well. I must say that. Okay, you
Okay,
go on for 2 minutes. Speak that HR manager word, manager with it. And I would like to recruit people. I would like to be in a position where I can recruit and judge other people. I just love that. ठीक है? And
Okay, ma'am.
तो ऐसे कुछ extend भी करना है ना इसको?
ठीक है.
Then you can say my aunt is working as a HR manager in an MNC, and she's earning a lot. and she has a lot of status in her, you can say like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So she has the power also in her hand. Okay, like that you
Okay.
can say. So there's lot you can add to it.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Now we have the next cue card. Describe the time you encouraged someone to do something that he or she didn't want to do. Okay. एक मिनट इसको बोलना है you will try एक मिनट okay Divya you will try okay Khushbu you will try Divya you're here you'd
Yes,
like to
ma'am.
try okay so your cue card is describe a time when you encourage someone to do something that he or she didn't want to do. You should say who he or she is, what you encourage him or her to do, how she reacted, and explain why you encouraged him or her. Okay? You need 1 minute?
No, I'll start straight away.
You'll start straight away?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
So recently I visited my sister's home, and she has a daughter. So that person is my niece, and she is of the age of 12 to 13 years. So I visited her place for a function, and I came to know that my niece is suffering from a medical problem because of her childhood obesity. She is suffering from menstrual irregularities. She has recently achieved her menarche, and because of her obesity, her menstrual cycle is not regular. So I encouraged her, and I made her aware of the fact that obesity leads to a lot of medical issues. So she should work hard in losing her weight. I told her that she would have to uh, limit her intake of calories, and she should cut off the junk food which she is used to eating. That would need to be cut off now, and she should put more attention on being healthy. I encourage her for running and walking. Next morning when I woke up early in morning, I asked my niece to wake up and come with me for a walk or for a run. As she is a child, she didn't like to wake up early in morning. She is used to waking up late. So I just told her that see, look at the uh, atmosphere and look at the weather outside. It's too pleasant to go for a walk, and we will take a packet of biscuits for the dogs which lives on street. So she was excited to.
It's already 2 minutes and you spoke very well. And you are a medical professional, you could go on for that. And it was perfect. Don't you all think so? She motivated her niece to do exercise, which she didn't want to do.
It
And
was very nice.
very nice. But one problem is there, Khushbu, you need to wind up things. So you need to elaborate a little less and, come to the main points. Then elaborate, finally. Okay?
Okay, okay.
The time is left. So you should learn how where the 2 minutes are going to be finished. That you have to pick up. Okay. Otherwise, it's perfect. You spoke very well. And you should speak like this only in the exam. A calm at one pace, consistency should be maintained. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Next cue card is describe a decision made by others or someone else that you disagreed with. Okay. What the decision was, how it was made, what you disagreed with, and explain why you disagreed with it. A decision made by others that you disagreed with. Okay. Monish, you will speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, sure.
Keep your, near the speaker. Okay, so that we can all hear you clear.
Okay, ma'am.
You need a
Can you
minute to
repeat the
prepare?
cue card? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. Prepare.
Ma'am, can you repeat the cue card? What?
You want to
what
read
mean
it?
this? Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Can you read it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
From the chat box? Okay. Sorry for that.
Talking about a daily life, yesterday only I met with this situation when I was asking about the question regarding the diagram labeling. I come to know that what decision I'm making is just going, it's not correct according to me, but it is correct according to me, but some of the people deny about that the labeling started from where the point and ask about the 4th street, which I thought to be the point N, but in the answer sheet it was written that the answer should be M. So I disagreed on that because it was not clearly mentioned in that the 4th street is on the opposite side, as it was also written that there is a 2 building. The consecutives building means the same building in the same size, and that illustrate that it may be of N point or maybe somewhere around these buildings, but I was confused about that. So later on a few people have also started their solution on that, and I come to know about this. So what I think is that I still have some query about that question. So can you please explain me about that, ma'am?
So were you speaking about the cue card?
Yes, yesterday, ma'am, yesterday's question. The decision which I made was, and someone disagreed about that.
No, but
Haven't got some.
when we are doing the questions, we'll discuss about that. But
Yes, ma'am.
but when we are doing this cue card, make some other nice story. The examiner will also be confused. See, you are practicing the speaking which you'll do in the exam.
Yes.
Okay, there the examiner does not know yesterday what happened in the group and what is it.
Yes, ma'am.
So speak something else. Okay. This
Okay, ma'am.
won't do for the cue card. It's not clear at all. You get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Yes,
not
ma'am.
clear at all. So what you are saying, we'll discuss that. There's a problem in the
Okay, ma'am.
question also. It's not that clear. Don't worry
Yes,
about
ma'am.
that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Sure, ma'am.
anybody else who can give me any idea what you can speak about that?
मैम मुझे ना ये मिला था क्यू कार्ड, तो मैंने तो ऐसा बोला था कि लास्ट ईयर आई वाज स्टडीइंग इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड एंड देयर वाज माय एग्जाम, बट मेरे दूसरे फ्रेंड्स जो थे वो उन लोगों को कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था स्टडी में, तो वो लोग मेरे घर आए और उन लोग ने मुझे बताया कि लेट्स लीव द स्टडी एंड रोम आउटसाइड एंड एंजॉय विद अदर फ्रेंड्स। सो ये डिसीजन से मैंने डिसएग्री किया था क्योंकि उन्हें इंटरेस्ट नहीं था लेकिन मुझे तो पढ़ाई करनी थी।
हाँ, any other idea? Yes, this is very good. You can speak that you wanted to study, you had your exams, but your friends wanted to go out and watch a movie, and you disagreed with their decision. You didn't want to do that right before the exams. Monish, ऐसा कुछ बोलोगे अच्छा लगेगा ना?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
एग्जाम में जो आप स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो ना, तो उसको स्पीकिंग को माइंड में रख के करो ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So don't digress other people also like that. वो तो बिल्कुल किसी को समझ ही नहीं आया आपने क्या बोला है. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, मैं
that-
repeat, मैं कुछ और मैं बोल दूं?
और आइडियाज अब डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. We'll go to the
Yes,
next.
ma'am. Ideas. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
मीनू,
Sure,
और
ma'am.
क्या आइडिया बोल सकते हो? अमन, what other idea?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sukhpreet, give me some
Ma'am,
idea.
Can we say,
idea?
can we say like sometimes the parents are forcing their like children to do a specific profession, like during them choosing career.
हाँ,
So
career. सुप्रीत career.
career, please ma'am.
हाँ, तो उसमें हाँ बिल्कुल बोल सकते हो. Very good idea. Your father wanted you to become a, you know, you can say doctor, but you have no interest in medicine.
Yes ma'am.
And so you chose commerce. You wanted to be, you know, a chartered accountant or something like that, you can say. Okay. So it was a decision you disagreed with. It was made by your father. You can also say that your,
Please.
you can say something like, what else? Any other idea?
Ma'am, like on birthday party, the kids in the family decided to go for pizza and cold drink party, but the parents wanted them to eat something healthy.
हाँ, तो आपने disagree किसके साथ करा?
So from the kids, they decided to get pizza and cold drink for the birthday party.
Okay, so you can say
But-
the children in the house decided that, but you decided against it, and you decided to make them some certain nice snacks at home. ये कह सकते हो आप.
Yes.
You can make up a story like that. Okay. You can also say आपकी friend की wedding थी and there was some issue on you know what कुछ और कुछ any other decision.
मैम जैसे
friend
मेरे
did-
फ्रेंड्स का इंटरेस्ट था साइंस में
हाँ.
और मेरा इंटरेस्ट था जैसे मैथमेटिक्स में,
हाँ.
कॉमर्स में था, तो उन्होंने मुझे फोर्स किया कि आप भी ये सब्जेक्ट चूज कर लो, तो मैंने उसका आइडिया जो रहेगा उसे डिसएग्री कर दिया.
You can say that your friend wanted you to choose commerce stream, but you had no interest in commerce. You had interest in something else, so you disagreed. ठीक है? Like that you can have. Okay. Next cue card.
एक मैम इसमें और कह सकते हैं.
हाँ बोलो. बोलो क्या?
Ma'am, can I ask one question?
Sure. As many questions.
Ma'am, I have some problem with pronunciation of decision. Is it a decision or decision? What should we say?
Okay, I'm opening my dictionary and I'll make the dictionary pronounce it for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. There is one more word. Is it measurement or measurement?
Wait, just one second. Okay.
Decision.
सुना आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Decision. ठीक है. I'll just share this with you. और आप देखो ये book जो है ना, can you see this dictionary now?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you can even read the pronunciation. This is
Decision.
Z. Decision. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
और दूसरा word क्या है?
It's measurement.
Okay. Measurement गलत है, measurement ही है. ये देख लो वही वाला ज दिख रहा है ना जो डिसीजन में दिखा था. ठीक है. So you know you don't need to listen, you can even read the pronunciation. Okay? ये देखो.
Okay.
Measurement. Okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. चलो ये तो measurement हो गया. और कोई word?
Ma'am, बस यही दो words हैं.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So next cue card. A time when you had to sing a song or a poem in front of public. Where were you? What did you sing? How did you feel? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am, this?
Yes. May I know who's speaking?
Ma'am,
Raman. अच्छा ये दीप साइफोन लिखा आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am, Ramandeep.
Okay. ठीक है. चलो बोलो.
I learned many poems from my childhood, and I also listen different type of music, song and poem, because it actually act as a stress buster. Me, I feel relaxed after listening music. And here I would talk about a poem that this poem was sing. Last when I study in secondary school, and that time I sing a poem in the front of public. My school organized a Republic Day, and I participate in this poem competition. And I sing a poem. It that is the national anthem of my country. This was written by Rabindranath Tagore. This poem starting from a Jana Gana Man line. I really like this poem very much, because everyone like this poem very much. And it is my it this poem is represent culture and history. And when people sing this poem, and firstly when people sing this poem, firstly they give the respect to this poem properly. And this poem was very energetic poem, and it also reflect our history. And I like this thing in this poem, when people recite this poem and they stand up to pay their heed and pay their respect to this poem, and to the national anthem of India. When sports is started in the playground, at that time also play this poem. And I also many time
Your time is up, Aman. अमन आपका एग्जाम कब है?
मैम अभी फिल नहीं किया.
अभी टाइम है ना?
यस मैम.
तो अभी आपको बहुत प्रैक्टिस करनी है. आपका पूरा टेंस रॉन्ग जा रहा था. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, जस्ट प्रैक्टिस इट. देयर इज नथिंग टू वरी. अभी आपने अगर भरा होता एग्जाम तो फिर मेरे को थोड़ा चिंता होती. गिव योरसेल्फ सम टाइम. और सारे पास्ट टेंस आपने सिंग बोला है, वहां पे सैंग आना चाहिए था. पार्टिसिपेट बोला है, वहां पे पार्टिसिपेटेड आना चाहिए था. फिर आपकी वो जो मैंने देसी फंडा वाली गलती बताई थी, एस वाली, वो भी आ रही थी. एवरीवन लाइक, एवरीवन लाइक्स. ठीक है. And is represent it. This poem represents. Is represent नहीं होता, it represents होता है. ठीक है. तो ये काफी गलतियां थी. Almost every sentence had some error, but there is nothing to you spoke out, you came to know your mistakes, right?
Yes.
So when you come to know your mistakes, that means your diagnosis is done. Now you just have to do the treatment, right? And it'll definitely improve. आपको क्या करना है? आपको ना सारे past tense वाले cue cards प्रैक्टिस करने एक के बाद एक. ठीक है. और जितने बीच में verbs आए सारे प्रैक्टिस करने हैं आपको past tense लगा के. ठीक है. It'll 3-4 days में आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी इसकी. अगर आपको कोई पर्सन मिल गया आपसे सुनने वाला जो आपको ये बताता जाएगा कि यहाँ पे ये वाला वर्ब है, ये इसको आपने पास्ट टेंस नहीं लगाया. ठीक है. So have you joined the speaking classes with us?
Yes ma'am.
Who is your teacher?
Ma'am, no, yesterday I tell you to.
Okay, you haven't yet started, na?
Yes ma'am.
You have to start yet. Okay. So we'll take care that you are given good practice. Okay. Okay. So next cue card. कोई और किसी ने मिस्टेक कोई ढूंढी है जो बता सकता है? मेरे ने बहुत ज्यादा लिख नहीं हुई मेरे से.
मैम एक मिस्टेक और थी.
रिपीट हो रहा था.
क्या?
पोएम.
हाँ, पोएम वर्ड तो आएगा बार बार क्योंकि वही उसने बोली है.
मैम को पोएम बोलना सही रहेगा मैम.
हाँ हाँ.
यस मैम, ये मैम मिस्टेक मैम मेरे को भी लगी ये मिस्टेक.
वो रेपिटेशन है. और भी मिस्टेक्स हैं तो वो डेफिनेटली अभी उसने शुरू ही नहीं करी है प्रिपरेशन. शी विल स्टार्ट एंड इट्स डेफिनेटली इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाएगी. ऐसा तो कुछ मतलब है ही नहीं कि नहीं इम्प्रूव हुए. ठीक है. और 2 मिनट पूरे बोलना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है. शी वेंट ऑन फॉर 2 minutes. ओके.
उनके पास कंटेंट तो था लेकिन उनके ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स थी.
हाँ, तो ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स ओवरपावर की जा सकती है विद प्रैक्टिस. वो तो है ही है. ठीक है. And definitely if she'll practice. अभी उसने start नहीं करी है. मैं I'll see to it that teacher आपको अच्छे से मेहनत कराए. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट किससे बुलवाना है हमें? Who wants to speak? सबकी
I'll try to go ahead with the
Okay,
cue card next day.
Rajneet, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and your cue card is describe an unforgettable bike or bicycle trip. When it was, where you went, what happened during the trip, how you felt about it. Rajneet, आपने बोलना है?
Yes, ma'am, I have to speak, but I'm just thinking, I'm giving it a thought.
Yes, yes. If you've never had a bicycle trip, what will you do?
I'll just try. I had a bicycle trip, but
Okay.
I'm just trying to think the cities which were in between. So I can't remember that. So I'll start maybe. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I speak now on the same topic?
After Rajneet, okay?
Okay.
Anji.
Okay. It's a bicycle.
Yes,
right?
bicycle.
Can it be motorcycle?
Yes, bike or bicycle trip है ना? You can-
Bike or bicycle trip. Okay. So yes, I very vividly remember the trip which I had with my brother. Once we started from our home, which is the Ludhiana city, to the Patiala Punjabi University, where we both were studied. We both were in the same department. And once we decided, both of us decided, we were not having much luggage with us. So we decided to go on bike to our university. We started very early morning from home around 5 a.m. and packed our food and stuff and started off on his bike. He had a red bike and it was a new one. And we had a great charm to go on bike because we have never been before on such a long trip. And instead of opting the bus route, we opted the road route that day. It was summers, and so we decided to start early morning. And when we started, there were different cities which come across, like Doraha, and next I don't remember, but there was one Gurdwara Sahib in between the road trip, and we paid our respect there, and then we started again. And there was one dhaba too on the way, and we stopped there, had our breakfast, and then the wind was very cool. It was a cool breeze going on that at that point. So, and so yes, there were on the side, there were lot many fields, green field with green grass around. And there also on the way there is also one canal, and we stopped there for a moment, had our tea, and
It's 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes. Okay, you could go on. Very nice. Very well spoken, but there were some mistakes.
Yes.
कुछ एक तो गुरुद्वारा साहिब मत बोलो. Gurdwara word is there in the dictionary. You can say there's a Gurdwara on the way. Okay. Then we had never been on such a trip. We have never नहीं. Had never.
We had.
तब तो आपने ले लिया ना ये ट्रिप. Like उससे पहले आपने कभी नहीं लिया था ना. So past के टाइम से पहले नहीं लिया था तो past perfect आएगा ना. We had never before been on such a trip, bike trip. Okay, it was very enjoyable. You can say it was very enjoyable. We stopped on the way wherever we wanted. We stopped on the way. We enjoyed the going through the, we took a shortcut and we went through the fields, which was very, very enjoyable. Okay, like that you can say. Yes, Harman, you want to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's have it from Harman also. Yeah.
मैम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं I have never ever seen this kind of trip.
I had never ever seen, क्योंकि अब तो देख चुके हो ना आप.
Yes, ma'am.
You already had. So I
Okay, ma'am.
had never ever before experienced such.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have one question.
Yes.
Because you started with the story and then by the end of 2 minutes, is it important that you should give some shape to the, you should be by the end of the story by 2
Yes,
minutes?
I think you should learn where the 2 minutes are going to be over.
Okay.
90% of the times they stopped you if you have answered all the cues. Okay, below your cue card, if you have answered all of them, 90% of the time they stop you.
Okay, so the questions or the questions which you give us after the cue card, the examiner is looking for towards us to answer all those.
Yes, and if you answer all of them in the first 30-40 seconds, which is what I suggest all my students, you seldom have to speak 2 minutes.
Because I think I might not have addressed all of them because
You
I
must
did.
address all of them. That is there. Okay.
Okay.
You must do that.
Ma'am, if we are not end up in a proper way, it will affect our mark.
No, but you should have answered all the cues.
If we completed all the sub questions, then it is okay.
Then they stop you also. Then you don't have to finish it. Okay.
Okay.
So Harman, start karo.
Yes, ma'am. Experience new places is a hobby of every person, and I also have a hobby to visiting new places. But here I would like to talk about a bicycle trip which I recently visited in my town. There was a trip. There was a time when I purchased a new bicycle, and my parents gifted me that bicycle. There is a speedometer on the top of my bicycle, and I started to enjoy the trip. Firstly, I covered Handaya, then I went to Tapa at that moment, and when I came back to my home, I saw that I have covered 25 kilometers, which is very ambitious for me. And when I saw this to my friends, all were start clapping on my performance. That Harman, you are doing very well this job, and this was a trip when I was really rejuvenated and I can't forgot that trip in my past and even in the present also. And I also clicked some pics in my phone, which I see, and I am feel happy after seeing those pics. And this was a time when this was a story, bicycle story, which I can't forget in my life.
Okay. 1 minute 50 seconds. Hanji, all examiners.
मैम थोड़ा पास्ट टेंस में वो ना प्रेजेंट लगा रहे थे when I went
वो तो सब जगह उसने बहुत टेंस तो बहुत गलत यूज करा है, पर एक जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन की ब्लंडर है, बताओ।
बाइसाइकिल।
हाँ, ये देखो मैं आपको अभी दिखाती हूँ। हरमन ध्यान से।
यस मैम।
इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन देखो, दिख रही है डिक्शनरी सबको? दिस इज व्हाट? साइकिल। और अब मैंने बाय लगा दिया पहले, अब ध्यान दो। बाइसिकल। तो आपने 10 जगह बाइसाइकिल बोला, तो 10 गलतियां तो ये थी आपकी।
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद आपने बोला बैक टू माई होम. होम से पहले कोई preposition नहीं आती. मैंने आपको बताया 3 वर्ड्स हैं जिनसे पहले कोई preposition नहीं आती. कौन से वर्ड्स हैं वो 3?
Visit.
उसके बाद नहीं आती, पहले की बात कर रही हूँ.
Abroad.
Upstairs.
Upstairs, abroad and home.
Home.
इनके पहले कोई preposition नहीं आती. You go to the school, you go to somewhere else, but you never go to home. You said when I came back to my home. वो गलत हो गया. When I came back home. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
फिर आपने पहली लाइन बनाई experience new places. आप सीधा कहते I would like to talk about a bicycle trip which I cannot forget. तो आपकी वो गलती नहीं होती. Experience new places ने गलत था. Experiencing new places था. Okay?
Experiencing new places.
हाँ. Okay? समझ आ गया? और भी बहुत गलतियां थी भाई मेरे को, मैंने लिख नहीं पाई हूँ मैं सारी. Okay?
Upstairs, home, abroad.
And तीसरा क्या था? Abroad.
Home.
Abroad. ठीक है? Foreign इसके पहले भी नहीं आती. My sister is in foreign, in a foreign country, but in abroad भी गलत है. My sister is abroad. ठीक है? तो ये सारे आप ध्यान रखना. ओके? नेक्स्ट. क्यों का हरमन, you have a lot to work hard. आपका पेपर कब है?
मैम अभी फिल नहीं किया.
अभी करना मत. कम से कम अपने आप को आज से एक महीना दे देना, बिकॉज ग्रामर इसमें पूरी खराब थी. सब सेंटेंसेस में गलतियां थी. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
You have to work very hard on your speaking. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I would like to ask you a question.
Yes.
मैम मेरे 2 मिनट तो चलो वो तो मैं कर लूंगी कंप्लीट, लेकिन मेरी टेंसेस मिस्टेक आपको दिखी?
1 मिनट. कौन बोल रहा है? निशा? निशा
Yes,
तुमने
ma'am.
बहुत अच्छा बोला है. मैंने बोला तेरे को अच्छा बोला है.
Yes, मैम, क्योंकि अब डर लग रहा है 30 को
बार बार सुनना चाहती है कि मैंने
नहीं.
हाँ, एक बार तो मैम ने बोल दिया, दोबारा पूछती हूँ.
नहीं, मैं टेंसेस की बात कर रही हूँ. टेंसेस
अगर गलत होते मैंने आपको तभी बता देने.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, shall I?
Yes, Divya. Describe your favorite weather. Okay, this is your cue card. What kind of weather it is, when this weather usually occurs, what you usually do during this weather, how this weather affects you, and explain why you like this type of weather. Should I put it in the comment box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll put it. कहाँ चला गया comment box? Okay. Chat. Can you see it now? Chat box में?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, till Divya is preparing, you people will let me know whether the reading classes are helping you or not.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है. मैम वीकेंड के आगे एट लगता है या ऑन?
एट वीकेंड्स.
एट. तो मैंने ना एक बार बोला था एट वीकेंड, तो मेरी जो स्पीकिंग की मैम है उन्होंने बोला था कि हम लोग ऑन वीकेंड्स यूज करते हैं.
हाँ तो बेटे देखो, मेरे को ना ये अभी 1-2 साल पहले पता चला है कि एट ये एक्सेप्शन टू द रूल है. तो आपकी जो स्पीकिंग वाली मैम है ना, वो मेरे से आधे से कम उम्र की हैं. हो सकता है उनको भी नहीं पता हो.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, तो कोई भी परफेक्शन नहीं ना होती. आप उनको बता देते कि मैम ने बताया एट लगता है.
यहाँ मैंने बताया था, लेकिन उन्होंने बोला था कि ऑन ही यूज करना है.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं. आप ऐसे है कि यू कैन ऑलवेज बी ओपन फॉर डिस्कशन, और उनको भी बोल सकते हो कि मैम से बात कर लो, पूछ लो, उन्होंने क्लास में बताया.
ओके मैम. ओके.
We all learn, don't we?
Ma'am,
every
when I
single day
tried to...
learning goes on, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, I need a suggestion. I think we have already discussed this in class, but I want you to highlight once more. Ma'am, what should we like while booking the exam? Should it be paper or computer based? Because
ये दोनों से मेरे को लगता है दोनों में कोई फर्क नहीं है. If your computer skills are good, you can go for computer based also. कई लोग कहते हैं कि वो ज्यादा इजी लगा उनको, कई कहते हैं कि पेन एंड पेपर इजी लगा है. सो मैंने दिया नहीं एक्चुअली कंप्यूटर बेस्ड. मैं आपको फर्स्ट हैंड इन्फो नहीं दे सकती हूँ. एनीबडी ऑफ यू हु हैज टेकन द कंप्यूटर बेस्ड? अभी कोई नहीं है इस ग्रुप में, पर पहले थे हमारे पास.
Because when we are doing essay or graphs, it's much better on computer because you need to rephrase a sentence again and again, taking into account the first and the last sentence, right? But on the other hand, when it's reading or listening, you need a paper and pencil to write down quickly, like so.
नहीं, वो स्क्रॉलिंग हो जाती है, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
But ma'am, even do they give you the facility to mark on the, like you can highlight the?
Yes, I think yes, they give the facility. Highlight. Yes.
Highlight.
Yes.
Ma'am, one of my friend he said during computer exam there is always a time management problem.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी. ਉਹ ਲਾਈਕ ਉਹਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਜਾਂ ਦੋ ਵਾਰੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਈ ਸੀ.
ਉਹ ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ
ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਟੀਚਰ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਸੁਖਪ੍ਰੀਤ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੇਟੇ ਨੇ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਬੇਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਡਾਟਰ ਇਨ ਲਾ ਨੇ ਪੈਨ ਐਂਡ ਪੇਪਰ. ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੇ 8-8 ਬੈਂਡ ਸੀਗੇ.
ਓਕੇ
ਤੇ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਦੱਸੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ. ਮਤਲਬ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਦੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੀ equal level of difficulty computer skills होनिया चाहिए बस. Scrolling up and down. I don't think Sukhpreet you will.
I think typing speed I should be in good.
Typing speed भी बहुत अच्छी नहीं चाहिए. मतलब हाँ, कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. If you just type, जैसे मैं टाइप करती हूँ, मेरी कोई टाइपिंग स्पीड नहीं है, बट वन हैंड से भी टाइप कर लेती हूँ, तो वो मतलब हो जाता है. आई थिंक 300 वर्ड्स आप लिख पाते हो 25 मिनट में.
प्लीज मैम.
हाँ, सो इट्स ओके. 40 मिनट्स होते हैं ऐसे के लिए, गुड इनफ टाइम. ओके
प्लीज मैम.
आप ऐसे करना, आप ना ग्रुप में डालना. किसने पूछा ये क्वेश्चन?
मैं पूछा मैम.
आपके ग्रुप में स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने ना कंप्यूटर बेस दिया हुआ है.
ओके.
दे विल कोई ना कोई रिप्लाई जरूर कर देगा. ठीक है.
ओके.
ओके, स्टार्ट दिव्या.
Yes, ma'am. India is a diverse country experiencing different weather conditions like summer, winter, autumn, spring, etc. Today I would like to talk about a season which I like the most. It is spring season. Yes, it comes in the beginning of April, and
I think we've lost Divya. आवाज आ रही है बाकियों को?
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
Connection कट गया. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, you back? नहीं.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes.
India is a experiencing different types of climates. I would like to talk about my favorite climate, my favorite weather, that is spring season.
We can't hear.
Ma'am, the voice is not audible, ma'am.
Divya, it's not audible. Okay, बीच में slow हो जाती है.
Somebody can you hear now?
Now yes, now it's better. Yes, you can start now. Now again, I think connection is gone.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Divya, now start. Okay.
India is a diverse country experiencing different weather conditions. like spring, winter, summer, etc. Today, I would like to talk about my favorite weather, that is spring. I think it comes in the starting of April. I don't like the hot season, that is uh, summer, that comes in the starting of March, and also the cold season that is experienced during the December. Yes, my favorite weather season is spring. In the spring season, we can see the blooming of the flowers, and moreover, the farmers harvest all of their crops during this season. And moreover, we are celebrating our favorite festival, that is Onam, which is the national festival of Kerala, that we are celebrating this season. So everybody get a feel of joy as well as happiness during this season, and I enjoy most during this spring season. I think that days as well as nights are neither too long or nor too short during this summer season. And moreover, many of my students are planning their vacations to their favorite destination like Ooty or Kodaikanal during this season. And one of my students told me that they had experienced the beauty of the flower show at Ooty during this summer season.
Okay. Divya, 2 minutes over. You spoke very well. One or two pronunciation. One place you said everybody gets. Every, wherever every
Yes.
is, then singular verb after that. One pronunciation which I want you to, we people use that word quite often. So that pronunciation I would like you to do, that is diverse. It is not diverse. India is a diverse. Okay, it is diverse.
Diverse.
Yes, I'll just
Diverse.
diverse. Okay, and everybody get. Otherwise,
Okay.
it was okay. It's not diverse. It's diverse. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
very well spoken. Otherwise, very well spoken. So now it's time for the reading. So we'll get back for the reading in 10 minutes. Are those, I asked you, are those classes helping you? कुछ फर्क पड़ रहा है दूसरी रीडिंग जब आप 1 घंटे की करते हो कुछ? Are you finding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत अच्छे से.
Okay. So today again I've shared with you the reading Bones to Phones. I've shared in the groups. Okay, we'll come back in 10 minutes for the reading. Okay, and जिनको अपनी idea लग गया class का कि ये speaking class once a week we have, and the students Raman and Harman and Raman. So you've come to know that you need at least 1 month of rigorous practice, okay, for speaking, and definitely you will be doing well. देखो, hesitation is a big thing, वो आप में नहीं है, ठीक है? So hesitation nahi hai, you are not afraid of coming out in the open and making the mistakes. You will definitely work on them also and improve a lot. That's what I believe. Okay. So bye everyone.
Okay.
See you in 10 minutes for the reading class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.